Good day, Ma'am and Sir. My name is De Los Santos Joan Terrado, 34 years old. My height is 139 centimeter, married, and I have 2 kids. I don't have long-term medication. I am undergraduate of HRM with TESDA certificate domestic worker. I don't have work experience in Hong Kong, but I have work experience in Malaysia for 3 years. I serve Chinese employer, taking care of children, doing their laundry clothes, ironing clothes, and cooking Chinese food. My duties to prepare, taking care of newborn baby, taking care of 1 year old and above, taking care of elderly, healthy grandma and grandpa, cooking, gardening, taking care of pet, small pet, cat and dogs. I can share job with Filipino worker, and I can share Indonesian worker. I promise I can do my best to my work. Thank you.